Hello guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to use Quillbot.com for free. If you are a blogger, you might have already used it. Open your browser, then search for Quillbot. Do open it. As you can see, it asks you to get premium and all the features are logged here. So now I am going to show you how you can unlock this. Just open a new tab and type cookie editor. From the Chrome Google Store, you can install the extension cookie editor. This one is what we are looking for. Just click add to Chrome and add extension. Then you can close this, and now here we have got it here, the cookie editor. Now what you need to do is just pin this and then click on the cookie editor and delete all. After doing this, you just need to import, and we have got a file of cookie extension in Notepad. So we'll open Notepad. This is what we are going to paste there. So let's just, I'll share this to you. So let's click on cookie editor and then import. Just paste the file here and then click on import. Once you do this, you just need to refresh the website, but remember, don't let it refresh fully. Just once it is hidden, just click on no cancel. That way it will work, and make sure you have not logged in any of your account here. You must make sure that. Now as we can give a trial here, let's just open any article like make money online or any other. Now just click on the website. We are going to take some phrase from here, and as you can see, we are going to make it plagiarism free as well. For plagiarism check, we are going to use duplichecker.com or smallseotools.com. So now just paste it and then check plagiarism. Let's just verify human verification. Okay, I didn't do that, sorry. And once we did do this, just click on check plagiarism, and you will find out that it is 100%. So percent has been shown unique, but we have copied it all, as you have already seen. So now we are going to paraphrase it from here, and one thing we are going to make sure is we are going to change it to this less accurate or more. With less changes it will be more accurate, so I prefer this, but as this is the premium, we can use anything. And now we are going to use creative, which was locked before, and now it has been unlocked. Now you can see it has already been paraphrased. Now we are going to do it manually, like we are going to change the terms financial. Let's do this just for making sure we are going for plagiarism free document. Now here we can do this sideline and released, published. Okay, we are going to do this much only, and then copy full text. Okay, let's check it. Okay,
Here's what I found.
we're going to paste it here and then click on I am not a robot. Click on check plagiarism. Okay, sorry. Now let's just click on boards. This is insane, man. Okay, let's check plagiarism, whatever. Now as you can see, we have got 60% unique, 8% unique, and then 100% unique. Okay, you can see we have got it fully unique. So I hope you got how it is done. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates like this.